Hello everyone, I am Sham. Welcome back to our channel, The Truth of India. Let's talk about the Redmi 15 Pro, a smartphone that creating huge buzz before its official launch. According to reports and leak, Redmi Note 15 Pro is going to launch on 29th January, and it could be one of the most powerful mid-range smartphone of the year with most powerful camera, 200 MP camera. Let's quickly go through its key specification and expected price. Display starting with the Redmi Note 15 Pro is expected to feature 6.83-inch AMOLED display. It may come with 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz, smoother scrolling and better gaming experience, excellent video quality. The display is all expected to support high brightness level and strong screen protection, making it suitable for daily outdoor use. Now talk about the camera. Now the biggest highlight of this phone is camera. It's going to offer you 200 MP primary rear camera with OIS optical image stabilization, an 8 MP ultra wide camera, 20 MP or 32 MP front camera for selfie and video calls. The device is expected to support 4K video recording, AI camera features, and enhanced low light photography. And you will experience DSLR-like photography through a smartphone in Redmi Note 15 Pro. Let's talk about the performance. System of performance. Redmi Note 15 Pro be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra processor. The phone may offer 8GB and 12GB variant, ensuring smooth multitasking, fast app opening, and lag-free gaming. This process should easily handle heavy games, video editing, and daily uses without any issue. Now battery and charging. Move on the battery. The Redmi Note 15 is rumored to pack large 6500 mAh battery. This battery size should comfortably last 4 days or even more than normal uses. Fast charging support is also expected to allowing users quickly recharge their device and get back to the work or entertainment. Connectivity and features. In terms of connectivity, this phone will support 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, USB Type-C port. Other features may include stereo speaker, strong build quality, and premium design finish. Let's talk about the pricing. According to the leaks and industry report, the Redmi Note 15 Pro expected to price in India could be 25,000 to 35,000 depending on the variant. However, the final official price will reveal on the launch event on 29th January. So friends, these are the key specification and expected price of Redmi Note 15 Pro. What do you think about the smartphone? Is 200 MP camera and 6500 mAh battery impressive enough for you? Let's know your thought in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more smartphone updates. Thank you for watching. If you want next, thank you so much.